This is Innsbruck, Austria, a small Alpine city that feels like it belongs in a fairy tale. But beyond the colorful buildings and mountain views, there's a rich history hidden in every corner of its old town. Today, we're walking through Innsbruck's historic center to explore its most iconic landmarks, local cafes, and the everyday atmosphere that makes this city so unique.
Located in the Tyrol region of Western Austria, Innsbruck sits at the base of the Alps and has long been an important cultural and historical center.
All right, we're finally here in Innsbruck, and we're getting ready to go on an outstanding, wonderful journey today in the lovely city of Innsbruck. We're ready. So, welcome to the channel, and come with us.
All right, let's go. One of Innsbruck's most famous landmarks is the Golden Roof. Built in the early 1500s for Emperor Maximilian I, covered with over 2,600 gilded copper tiles, it serves as a royal viewing balcony where the emperor could watch festivals and events in the square below. Just steps away stands the Stadtturm, or city tower, which dates back to the 15th century. Originally used as a watchtower, it played an important role in protecting the city and monitoring daily activity in the Old Town. Cafe culture is an important part of everyday life in Austria. Throughout Innsbruck's Old Town, cafes line the streets and squares, offering a place to relax, socialize, and enjoy the slower pace of the city. Whether it's a morning coffee or an afternoon break, these cafes are where locals and visitors come together to experience the atmosphere of Innsbruck. If you enjoy exploring historical cities like Innsbruck, consider subscribing for more walking tours across Europe. As you walk through the Old Town, the atmosphere comes alive with music, street performances, and the rhythm of daily life. It's this blend of history and culture that makes Innsbruck feel both timeless and vibrant.
Innsbruck may be known for its Alpine scenery, but its old town tells a deeper story, one of history, culture, and everyday life set against a truly stunning backdrop. Whether you're visiting in person or exploring from afar, it's a place that leaves a lasting impression.